Hey guys, just gonna make a vlog. We made a couple of trick shot videos. We've been playing BO3 online a lot, but we didn't make a gameplay video for some reason. Kason's gonna have to leave pretty soon, so we probably won't do that. This will probably be the last video that we make, or there will be one more. There will definitely be one more actually, because we just made one, but we haven't uploaded it yet. So, yep. And then, keep an eye out next weekend. Alright, so Memorial Day weekend we will be, I think I'll be hanging out with my cousin Colton, and we're gonna make a dual Dodge. That's that. I'm gonna show you those cars over there. So apparently in one of my other videos, I showed a car's license plate number. Sorry about that, guys.
Around the block, right?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go all the way down there.
Alright.
We made it in the video before.
Next Friday we don't have school, so I'll probably make a few videos then. And then that whole next weekend, have a lot of videos up.
We have school on Monday?
This Monday we do. Next Monday we don't. Then this Wednesday I get to go to Rangers game. I might record part of that for y'all. It's for the school, but I'll still record part of it for y'all. Might put it on YouTube. There's Sawyer. Took the journey with us. That's about it I have to talk.